Hajri. So welcome back to our channel Sayyid Hussaini Khadir Brothers. So in this video I am making different angles without using a protractor. So let's begin. So first I am making 60 degree. First we have to take a compass and put pencil in compass. I have done. And then we have to take any centimeter from a scale. We have taken. Then we have to put the needle of the compass here, and we have to put an arc here. I have done this. And third step, we have to put an arc here. So then I have to this is done. I will see this is 60 centimeter or not. See, this is exactly 60 centimeter. So next, I am making 90 degree now. 90 degree. So we have to done this process again. We have to take any line segment here, and we have to put point here, and put the compass needle here. And we have to run like this. And we have to put compass needle here when we have cut this. And here arc then. And we have to put here and here another angle, another arc, and we have to cut this arc like this, and we have to draw a line from this point to this point. This is 90. See, by using protractor. See. This is 90 degree. Next, 120 degree. 120 degree is very easy, like 60 degree. And we have to make a line, that procedure. This we have put a line. And same procedure, we have to put arc. We have done till here, and we have to put arc here. This we have done, and put arc here, and cut this arc. And we have to draw a line. We have done it. So we will see it is 120 degree or not. See, this is 120 degree. We are making now 20 degree. This is very easy. See. Like this, and the same procedure, but it's some different, some size different. We have to put same. Don't change the compass needle because it will be so then I have to make arc make arc like this, and we have to cut this arc from here, and then we have to cut this like this and measure. I will measure. See, this is exactly 20. We are making 105 degrees. So same procedure like this. Compass. We have to put compass mirror here. And like this. And same procedure like 90 degrees. This is straight line, and we have to make an arc like this and cut an arc from here. Put the front here, and then I have to cut that arc. I have to put a line, and we can see here that's 105 degrees. See, and we are making now 75 degrees. So same procedure like that, but it's quite a difference. And cut the arc here, and we have to make 90 degrees, same like before. Ninety degrees. This is 90 degrees, and then we have to cut arc from here like this. And we have to draw a line from here to here. This is 70 degrees. We will see it's not there. See, 75 degrees. Exactly 75 degrees. We are making 30 degrees. 30 degrees is very easy, like 60 degrees. Same procedure, we have to make a line here, point, arc. We have to cut this arc and make arc here also, and we have to cut this arc. This is 30 degrees. We will see it's 30 degrees or not. This is very interesting. So this is, we will measure this. Yes, it is 30 degrees. Exactly 30 degrees. And now 45 degrees. We have to put a line here and put compass like this, and 90 degrees we have to make first. It's 90 degrees. And then we have to measure from here to here, and then put our here and put compass needle here and 45 degrees. This is the place we put it on. Now we are making it 15 degrees. This is easy. Like this. And we have to make like 30 degrees. We have to first draw a line to 30 degrees. This, and we have to don't draw a line from here to here. Just we have to draw a line this much only, cut the arc, and then we have to put compass here and cut. This is 115 degrees. Here you can see. This is 15 degrees. This is 15 degrees. So that's all, everyone. We will meet in another video. Till then, Jazakallah khairan. Allah Hafiz.